Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming your Google account and available storage, because sync depends on space. Once installed, open Google Drive for desktop and sign in. Make sure to pick Stream files versus Mirror files based on speed and offline needs. Stream saves local disk space by showing cloud-only files, while Mirror keeps local copies for offline work. Now, choose which folders to add to my drive and accept the default preferences, so the client begins the initial connection and indexing process. Once done, go into Preferences to select exact folders to sync. You can pick My Drive folders or add a local folder to backup. Adjust bandwidth and file type exclusions to prevent slow networks from stalling. This matters when you have large media or many small files. Make sure Office file collaboration is enabled if you'll edit docs, sheets, or slides. Watch the sync status icon. Green means done, so you know when the initial upload and metadata sync finish before switching devices. Finally, sign into the second computer and confirm those same folders appear in Google Drive. That proves sync is working. If you encounter file conflicts, check version history and choose to restore or keep the newest copy. This preserves edits. If sync stalls, restart the Drive app, verify your internet connection, and clear the app cache. These steps resolve most errors. And remember, consistent folder names and avoiding concurrent renames reduce conflicts. So coordinate if multiple people edit the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.